Welcome to the UpStorz demo video. Welcome to UpStorz. This is your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see all your orders, subscribers, pending, all your inquiries, all the most important data. On here, you're going to be able to see what site viewers came per day to your store. So you have all those dates. The next thing is the timeline and also the last 10 orders. Of course, on the timeline, you can scroll, and all of these you can scroll and you can see what's been going on with your business. The next thing here is the last 10 orders and refunders and the last 10 customers, and then the last 10 subscribers and the last 10 inquiries into your business. Easily add products and variants. Now let's add some products to your site. So you're gonna go to catalog, go to products, and you're gonna have some choices here. You can see all your products there. You would just add either a single product or a multiple product, but for today we're gonna show you a single product. From there, you are going to name your product. So let's put the name in here. So it'll be diamond set. I'm going to choose a category, choose a subcategory, choose a price, a discount amount. Here's where you're going to stick your product description and your size chart, and then be sure to make sure that this is active if you want it active and visible. Next, we're going to upload the product images. So you can select your product image, and you're going to basically just save it and crop it and hit save and continue. And there's your image. Really nice. Now you can add your variants and inventory management. Just add, select a variant type and a subvariant type and hit save. Next is you're going to see it on the right hand side, so it looks right for you. You'll be able to select a new one. Again, same thing, change your variants up, and now you'll see on the right hand side what it looks like for management. Keep doing that as you add different variants to each of your products, and you'll see that there. Now here on the right hand side, you can edit, and you can basically choose the image that you want to connect to that variant, and you can show the stocks available and the number of quantity if you choose. Boom, there it is. Do it for each one of these. Of course, you can do a bulk upload. You can upload there and you can change your image and then recrop it. Do all the same thing. Very, very flexible, okay? And you can change what your inventory looks like. Pretty cool. Now to see what your product looks like, you're going to basically want to scroll up to the top, go to View Store, and you're going to be able to look at the store and see what that exact product is going to look like. Here it is. So you could click on there and you're going to see what the product looks like, and it looks nice, right? Beautiful, has the variants, and you can see the images lock up together. Now let's get into the bulk product uploader. To upload multiple products in the bulk uploader, go to catalog and products. Then you go to products on the right hand top side, and you're going to choose add multiple products. Okay, then you're going to upload the product images from your files, and then you could just basically grab all of these images all at once. You do up to 50 at a time, and then once you're happy, you can see you go to next, and then you're going to be able to scroll and see all of them there. Of course, you're going to have to change the product names and categories, and then choose which ones you want to upload. You can do all of them at once, or you can hit next. Okay, there it is. Then you can basically do them all at once. Change the name, and you'll hit save, and then you'll change what categories that they're going to be in, the price, if there's a discount, and so forth. Just like we showed on the other one, you're basically going to do the exact same thing. Now you can do the specific management, size, value, basically choose all that from within. Then you're basically going to roll through, and if you need to make any individual changes to each one, if not, hit next. Say yes, I want to create a collection of these products, and you click the little blue button, or the no, I don't. Let's say you changed your mind, you said no. It's going to basically say it's not going to show you what you just put up here. Now obviously in the store we already had it, so you could see what they look like in the store together. Here they are all together as one collection. Now let's look at some examples of these beautiful sites. Okay, great, so check these out. These are some examples of a few different stores. Very beautiful sliders. You can see all of your categories as you go through here. You can see the logos. Really, really cool looking pages. This one's another example of, let's say, electronics store. It shows new arrivals, categories, and pretty much everything that you did in the back end is going to show up on this home page for people to shop your store. Here's another one. It's a local grocery store who has local delivery for their business, and it's collecting leads. Here's another one for a clothing company as well. It's beautifully designed, easy to get around, and it's also mobile optimized, which is great. Now let's talk about major payment integrations, how to get paid. To get started, you're going to scroll over to the left hand side, and you are going to go to the payment gateway From there, you're gonna have two different options. One is cash on delivery, the other one's payment. But let's talk about cash on delivery. This works great for local businesses. Here's my local business. Let's go to the cart, and we're gonna go ahead and place an order right there. It's gonna open up, and you're gonna start filling out everything. Most things will self-fill out. Put an address in there and a scheduled delivery time, as well as a cash on delivery code. A lot of countries do this. And then the other one is going to be the payment option, payment gateway. Of course, we use Stripe, PayPal, to checkout, authorize.net, and also manual payment. This is where you would choose which one that you want to use. More coming. Let's look at Stripe first. I'm going to go into Stripe, and basically you're going to activate your Stripe account, and you're going to need to get your secret key, your public keys, and also your sharing secret keys as well, and then hit save. Once that is saved, you'll see that it was activated, and then we can go ahead and look at that checkout process again. Go ahead and fill it out, and there you go. You're going to be able to start filling out the online payment if that's an option, and then you can choose which payment that you're going to check out with at that point. Okay, that's how you would add that one. Now, if you want to go back and look at the other ones, here's PayPal, same thing, activate. And just be sure to use your secret keys through the API, and there you go. Very simple. It's going to be now another option in the checkout process. Once you get there, now you have the PayPal option to use for your buyers. Go back to apps, and you can see also to checkout or authorize.net. Really cool added feature is recommended products, and works kind of like Amazon. Here's what recommended products looks like on your store. You'll scroll down to any product that, let's say you were being a buyer and you wanted to see what the recommended products look like. There they are. These are going to be products that complement that purchase that they might be thinking about, or would complement the product that they purchase. Really great way to add more revenue. Testimonial Builder, which has been proven to be a #1 conversion tactic. Here you're going to be able to see exactly where to build your testimonials, and you'll be able to click on the testimonial and click there where it says testimonial again. You're going to put in a name, put in testimonial content, and add an image, and then publish. Okay, so we can look at a couple of these here that we've already set up. Let's edit, and you can see there's the name, there's the image, everything is beautifully done. Now let's look in the store to see what that looks like. Let's scroll to the bottom. There are the testimonials which people love and will help you have higher conversions. Now let's manage your email and SMS templates. To manage your email and SMS templates, scroll down to the left and find email and SMS templates, and then choose which one you want. So let's start with email. Here you're going to be able to choose all of your templates. There's one for many different case uses, like when an order is placed or canceled or refunded or something like that. So let's go ahead and pick the first one. This is when the order is placed, and you're going to be able to make any of your changes. It's got dynamic text as well, and you're going to be able to change everything in here, your logos, all the information that comes in. Use that dynamic text on the bottom. You can see the token information for that dynamic text that comes in there. And once you're happy with everything and you go through it all, then you're going to basically click to the bottom and hit update. Okay, now you can go and look at some of the other ones and make changes with all of them. The other one is SMS. So here in the SMS templates, you're going to be able to scroll down. You can see the signups, you can see the place order. This is basically when someone first signs up, and then it's called OTP. And you'll be able to change your token information from there in the message type. The other ones you could do, like forgot password, place SMS order, a lot of different selections there. You can just go through each one of these and make any necessary changes that you see fit. Next is the inquiry chatbot for capturing leads and sales. Okay, to set up your inquiries, your chatbot, you can see here where all your inquiry list is located, so you can see the phone numbers and the names. And when you go to the website, this pretty much automatically sets up for you. You can go down here where it says product inquiry, click on it. This is what the chatbot looks like. You can choose whatever default is, price, whatever the question is. And when you click on the button, whatever the button may be, and you hit send, it looks like it's chatting, and then it asks you your name. Once you press in your name, then it's going to ask you for your phone number, and you're going to choose which country and phone number that you have. And then after that, we are going to capture that information for you, and then we're going to help you sell these people. So now you can go ahead and follow up with that lead that just came in. You're going to see the push notifications going to come out. You're going to see what product that they were interested in. You're going to have a lot of details and information about that, their phone number, and you're going to be able to contact that person and help make that sell, which will be huge in today's day and age. UpStorz is truly a business in your pocket with the Android and iOS app. Now let's go ahead and look into the app itself, And basically once you get into here, you're gonna see multiple choices of things that you can do. Pretty much everything you can do on the web app. So like products, collections, you can go to the dashboard, you can look at the products from there, you can manage your products, you can add products, you can look through the variants, you can manage all your variants. Literally everything you can do from the web app, you pretty much can do from the phone itself. So maybe you're on the go and you want to start adding new products to your business. Of course, you can do that. You can go to orders. Maybe you want to look at all of your orders that are coming in and you want to manage those and make sure you're fulfilling on those on the go. So it's truly like beyond the laptop lifestyle. It's more of like the mobile lifestyle that you'll be able to run your business from the pocket. From here, you're going to be able to choose how you want to contact that customer right back. Maybe WhatsApp business, SMS, maybe make a phone call, and go back to here and you choose if you want to upload a new product. You easily can come into here, upload that from there. And then also if you want to change your logo, you can actually click up to your logo and then make some decisions here if you want to change your logo. Like I said, it's fully optimized from your pocket where you can run your business right from there. So you can do pop-up management, go back to settings, you can change everything. You can do a private site view from here. Maybe you want to have a wholesaling product. You want to change your domains. Everything you can do from the web app, you have at the convenience of your pocket, changing everything, coupon management, e-commerce, for everything. So it's all there in the palm of your hands. Super excited to get this out to you guys. Mobile video creator and syndication. This is awesome. To create videos of your products and collections, you're going to want to scroll down to products or collections. And then you're going to find the product and hit the share button once you found the product that you want to create a video with. Then you're going to go to where it says share a video, and you can share it with your favorite social media. And then there, it's going to automatically create a slideshow video with sound. I'm sure you can't hear it right now, but you can change the direction that the slideshow is working, and then you can change the music and upload some of your own as well. And then you're going to hit save. Now that it's done saved, you're going to hit share, and then you're going to choose WhatsApp, and from there you choose your WhatsApp business or personal. And then you're going to choose who you're going to share this video. The video is going to load up and it's going to look nicely, and then you're going to hit share, and that's how you do that. Now let's jump into syndicating and sharing products from your mobile app. Now to share any of your products, you're going to open up the app and you're going to scroll down to your products that you want to choose to share. You're going to click on the share button, and there it is. It's going to show you which syndicated places you can go to. So which social media? Let's go to WhatsApp. Hit share. And then you're going to click in the name, who you're going to share to, and then you're going to upload. It's going to show automatically the link and the image in the description. So they can click on that image and description from there, and they can immediately be taken to that product, so that way they can easily check out of the product itself. Okay. Managing in-app notifications on mobile. To manage your in-app notifications, you're going to go up to the little bell icon on the top right. And basically you're going to click on that, and it's going to open up all the notifications, so it can help you manage your business for the most pressing issues and sales that come up with customers and possible prospects. So you can click on one of those and see what was going on. There was a little inquiry there with Joseph, and on that inquiry I could choose to follow up with them directly from inside the app. Again, helping you make more sales and profit right away with that extra customer support touch. Now let's check out the mobile-friendly websites. Once a customer pops into your website and say they're on mobile, they're going to get access to this very mobile-friendly, mobile-optimized website where they can see all of your collections and everything directly from the homepage, including making it super simple for you to collect leads, emails, WhatsApp subscribers, even Messenger subscribers, and basically they can just kind of scroll through very simply, find a product that they like, and scroll and look at the different variants and images, even share it, and do all pretty much the same thing that they would do on the normal website. Now, because of time, we didn't have the chance to go over every single feature. There's obviously a lot of other features that this came with, and we just ran out of time. So I just want to quickly review some of them. One of them is create collections. The next one is inventory management. The other one's build SEO ability. The other one's logo and favicon management. The other one's ready-made templates for policy pages. We also have shipping management, zip code checker, automatic menu generation, sizing charts, CNAMing for domain mapping, order list, time zones and currency settings, minimum and maximum product quantity, and minimum order amount per order. Now there's a few other options we didn't show, but again, like I said, just for time, I wanted to make sure that I could get at least some of the major features demoed out to you guys. Now, as you can see, this is a fully featured e-commerce platform that can be used for both local and for any online marketing, especially during times like these. Let's get yourself online with as many order buttons as possible, utilizing the UpStorz checkout program that is built for both conversions and help you get a return of investment right away. I can't wait, and I hope to see you guys on the inside. Talk soon.